So you guys ready to get started? Come on in, guys. Bennett Custom Homes, there's two major parts of a project. You have the site work and you have the house. When we price a house, we price it like it's floating in the air. We have a master bedroom. It should cost the same thing on this side of the county as it does in another county. Hey guys, good to see you again. Good to see you. But when it comes to the site, each site is different. So what I'd like to do today, so part of what we do is a site analysis with our clients, where we meet them out on the property, we lay out the house, we get to understand why the clients bought the lot. If you don't have a lot, that's fine. We can still design and price a house for you. As the driveway comes back around through here, we love coming out and walking the property with the clients. We learn a lot. And then put the garage off on an angle. But to really nail everything down and make it work, we have to make that house fit on the property and look like it should be there. We're doing soil tests to ensure that the soil will properly support the house. We're looking in elevations to make sure that we bring in dirt so that the house drains properly.
I think that was a big thing. Jim came out and he was super excited about this land, and they stood out to me because they were very family oriented. Hal and Jim, being a couple, working together, we love that.
Well guys, we should have a permit in a couple weeks, have dirt flying, and looking forward to getting this house going. Great. Thank you, man, it was great seeing you. It's a major part of the process because building a house is a wonderful thing. But people buy property for a reason, and to position that house on the property and accentuate the house for the property that they put it on is very important to us.